Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That is Maze Beats Creation. Today I'm bringing you something new. So if you have not subscribed yet, kindly go and subscribe before you continue watching this video, and don't forget to like and share the video as well. So today we are going to learn how to make a beaded headband. So you will need your headband and then your bead. So I have already stringed my beads on my fishing line. I'm using 0.4 mm. You can as well use any size that you want. So I'm using Python blue sugar beads. So this is a very simple one. So what you're going to do is, first of all, like I have already done, you arrange the beads on your fishing line. So you cut a very long fishing line and then you put the bead as much as you can on it. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you will take one end, the end of the fishing line, and you will tie it around the tail of the headband. This video is self-explanatory, so I won't talk much, you just watch. And if you don't understand something, you can let me know in the comment section below. So I'll just tie it. So now I'm going to be pushing the beads down and then be wrapping it around the headband. So you can start from here, but I will start from, because some people would like to push the tip of the headband in their hair, so I will leave that space for those people. So you can watch as I'm doing. So as you can see, I'm starting with 2-2, but it will get to some point where I will use 3. So when you see that the fishing line is becoming more visible, then you start with the 3, or maybe you started with 3, you can add 1 to it. So I'll try 3 at this point. Okay. So I've gotten to the last part. So the last one, after wrapping it around it, you pass your fishing line and the empty one. You use it to wrap it inside these two lines like this. And you can tie it somewhere. So you can pass it through the beads and then you cut it somewhere. Okay, so now our headband is ready. Please, I do some for sale, so like this one, it's for sale. So if you want to order one, I'll leave my number in the description box below. You can contact me and also follow me on social media: Facebook Maze Creations and Instagram Maze Beats Creation. I will as well leave the handles below. So see you next time. Bye bye.